Good evening to all dear students of SIIT's department. I am David Tiwari, Assistant Professor in EX department, presenting you my YouTube video lecture, and I am sharing my screen to you. Hope it will be available to you in my screen also. I am sharing this. So today's topic is energy conservation measures in the residential sector. So we are going to start the video. To my first slide. First slide is hopefully it is available to you. As we know, this is the era of energy conservation. Everyone is looking forward to save energy. So we will follow some measures or tips for reducing the energy consumption. So as we know, energy is used in illumination, heating, cooling, cooking, washing, entertainment, and various other works in this sector. Some effective energy conservation measures for reducing energy consumption in domestic sector are given as follows. Next slide. So by following all these tips and known facts, we can lower down the energy bills by approximately 30 to 40%. That means we can lower down by one third. So we will one by one go through to this measures. Number one is we should use ISI marked electrical appliances and equipment. As we know, if we use all these ISI marked electrical appliances or equipment or any other devices, it will consume less energy. So we should go for that. Second one is we should make maximum use of natural air and sunlight. That means if it is available to us, then we will go for first natural way of air and sunlight. Then we will go for some other this electrical means. Number third is turn off lights and fans when leaving a room. When our work is completed, when we are leaving a room, then we should possibly turn off lights and fans. Number fourth is we should clean the dust accumulated on lamps, bulbs, tube lights, and their fixtures regularly because it will lower down the illumination. So we will go for some other uh, mounting all these other devices also. So we should uh, regularly maintain all these things. That means this dust accumulated on lamps, we should clean the all these things. Move to next slide. Number five is we should use low voltage lamps in galleries, lobbies, balconies, and bathrooms. That means wherever we require less illumination, go for low voltage lamps. Number six is do not keep which system or any other equipment in keep standby mode. Number next is winter season when we use geysers to heat only that amount of water that is required. Thermostat also can be set to a low temperature. We will go for entire we used to go for heating the entire water and whatever it is required, we should go for that. Number next is prevent illuminating the entire room. Instead of that, provide task lighting. So suppose we have only the task of studying there, so we should not go for illuminating the entire room. We should go for table lamp, etc. So this is called task lighting. To next slide. Use LED bulbs and tubes which will give soft light. And also while using these devices, that means LED bulbs and tubes, we can go for saving of electricity, which may be up to 75%. Number next is install photoelectric controls or timers to turn off and switch on outdoor lighting at sunrise and sunset. That means whenever we are lighting our bungalows and big premises, we should go for installing these photoelectric controllers or timers, which will turn on and turn off with the timings of sunrise and sunset. That means automatically they will turn on and turn off, which will gives a considerable amount of saving in electrical energy. Number next is use 2-3 lifts provided in a building smartly as they consume lots of energy units. This is very important factor as the lifts consumes lots of energy, so we should use these lifts very intelligently and smartly. Number next is avoid frequent start and stop of water pumps because water pumps consumes lots of energy, and these water pumps should be switched on during non-peak utility hours. So this is also a very important factor. Move to next slide. Hence, these are the some tips and measures which we have seen, which can control the energy consumption in residential building and contribute in energy saving. As we know, saving of energy will definitely help in energy demand. Day to day, energy demand is rising as our nation is in developing state. So we can contribute by following all these points. Next. So a big thank you to all of you for watching this video. Hope you will follow all these measures. Thank you very much.